Good day everyone. Today I am going to talk about World Health Day. Our healthcare workers are our heroes. In these pandemic situations, they are our real heroes. Good day to all of you. I think everybody heard about these famous quotes. Your health is your real wealth by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise by Sir Benjamin Franklin. Everyone in this globe knows that health should be the priority in our life. Without health, we won't be able to achieve or accomplish our goals in life. What is World Health Day? World Health Organization celebrates World Health Day worldwide every year on 7th of April. This day is celebrated to create awareness among the people about the benefits of remaining healthy. First started by the World Health Organization in 1950, fundraising campaigns are created in the build-up to World Health Day across the globe in an attempt to help those in struggling areas gain better access to crucial health provisions. World Health Day forms one part of 8 official World Health Organization health awareness events that take place each year. Others include World Tuberculosis Day, World Malaria Day, and World AIDS Day. Who is WHO? The World Health Organization, popularly known as WHO, was formed in Geneva in 1948 on 7th of April. On this day, the World Health Assembly was held for the very first time, and it was decided that every year on 7th April we will celebrate the day as World Health Day, and since taking effect in 1950. The celebration has aimed to create awareness of a specific health theme to highlight a priority area of concern for the World Health Organization. What is the theme of World Health Day? Based on different themes, every year this day is immensely celebrated. For the previous year 2020, the theme was Support Nurses and Midwives. For the year 2019, the theme was Universal Health Coverage, Everyone, Everywhere. This year, 2021, the theme is Protecting Health from Climate Change. What are the aims of World Health Day? As a worldwide event, World Health Day has a large number of wide-reaching aims and priorities. According to the World Health Organization website, they include to improve understanding of universal health coverage and the importance of primary health care as its foundation, to spur action from individuals, policymakers and healthcare workers to make individual health care a reality for everyone. Everyone should have the information and services they need to take care of their own health and the health of their families. Skilled health workers providing quality, people-centered care and policymakers committed to investing in primary health care. World Health Day campaigns. One of the most popular campaigns that are held on World Health Day occurs on social media. The hashtag Health for All is used by campaigners and members of the public to highlight the need for accessible health solutions. The government celebrates this day worldwide including all the participant countries and different NGOs and organizations. This day reminds people about the different major health issues that people around the world suffer. But this day should not just remain as a day for the reminder. We all should take this day seriously. It should work as an alert for all of us to pay more attention to our health and other things around us. We often ignore our health thinking it won't be a problem. But minor symptoms can also lead to significant health issues afterwards, if not treated. We need to understand that health is wealth. For our growth and improvement, a healthy body with a healthy mind is necessary. The slogan of Health for All should be taken seriously by everybody for a guiding vision of a better future. A country can also grow with healthy people. Unhealthy group of people cannot contribute much to the country. So, on this World Health Day, I would request you all to pay attention to your health as well as the health of your family. Maintain your health by taking some time out in a day for exercising and adopt excellent and healthy diets and eating habits. Always prefer home cooked food. Even though junk food attracts you, maintain the amount of carbohydrate, protein, and fat that you intake. In taking enough amounts of vitamins and minerals are necessary. This World Health Day, we all should pledge for good habits for keeping ourselves healthy. The first wealth is our health, according to Ralph Waldo Emerson, should be our slogan. So, let's be healthy ourselves and keep everyone around us healthy as well. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.